What's for breakfast? Well, I'll tell you what I'm having. I'm going to take me a little bit of egg makers. I'm going to take a little bit of cheese. And I'm going to make me a chaffle out of that. I will be adding 1 egg to it. I'm going to use 2 of these Mission zero net carb tortillas to make that into a sandwich, so to speak. And I'm going to top it with some fresh homegrown tomato. So in a bowl, I have added 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. I've added 1/4 cup of the liquid egg maker, and I've added 1 egg to it. So I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to get that over in my mini waffle maker and fry those up. So let me get that started, and we'll come back and look at it. All right, my egg and cheese chaffle is done. In retrospect, probably did not need the 1/4 cup of the liquid egg. So 1 egg, and I did add a little bit more cheese. So I think 1 egg and probably 1/4 cup of cheese will be fine. Maybe 1/2 cup of cheese at the most, but 1 egg and 1/4 cup of cheese is going to get you there. These things expand pretty well. I'm putting a little fresh tomato on mine. I did add salt and pepper, seasoned it before I cooked it. I've got a little light mayo on my other tortilla. That is my breakfast sandwich. Guys, this is about 300 calories, and you're going to get 23 grams of protein out of this. So try it. It's good. I've had these. This is the 2nd week in a row I think I've had this for breakfast on Saturday morning. Really good. It's quick. It's easy. You're 5 minutes start to finish once you get your ingredients put together. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. If you think someone else would be interested in it, please share it. Thank you guys so much for watching.